one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Tagwirei outshines VP Chiwenga as Mnangagwa campaigns for him. The 26th of August 2025, a promotional flyer for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's title deeds distribution program in Mashonaland Central has sparked uproar within ZANU-PF after businessman KUTYA Tagwirei's image was placed more prominently than the president's, fueling speculation that Mnangagwa is openly elevating him over Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in the party's succession race. The poster, which circulated widely on social media ahead of the Mazo West event, announced that Mnangagwa would preside over the handover of 1,000 title deeds and the launch of smallholder irrigation kits. But what shocked many was not the program itself, it was the branding. Tagwirei's portrait was enlarged, given a commanding position, and paired with a bold pledge that he would give out 2 Ford Ranger trucks. By contrast, Mnangagwa's image appeared diminished, while Chiwenga was nowhere to be seen. For many party loyalists and analysts, this was no mere design mishap. Rather, it was interpreted as a deliberate signal about Tagwirei's rising political profile and Mnangagwa's possible preference for him as a future power center over his long-serving deputy. The ruling party's ZANU-PF Patriots account quickly condemned the flyer, blasting it as highly inappropriate and misleading. In a strongly worded post on X, the account wrote, "This is a presidential event, and it is unacceptable to place CDE Tagwirei's image on the flyer. Worse still, positioning it above and larger than the president's. Such misrepresentation undermines the dignity of the occasion. We are confident that CDE Tagwirei himself does not endorse this distortion." The row comes amid intensifying succession battles within ZANU-PF. Chiwenga, the former army general who masterminded the 2017 coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, has long been viewed as the natural heir. But relations between the two men have steadily soured. Mnangagwa is now accused of systematically weakening his deputy's influence, while surrounding himself with loyal businessmen, technocrats, and family allies. Tagwirei, a billionaire fuel mogul and key financier of ZANU-PF, has emerged as the most prominent of those allies. His fingerprints are visible in major state programs, and his increasingly high-profile role has unsettled Chiwenga's military-aligned faction, which views him as encroaching on the political terrain traditionally dominated by generals. In ZANU-PF politics, symbolism is never neutral, noted a Harare-based analyst, placing a businessman's image above the president's at such a high-stakes event sends a powerful signal. It reinforces perceptions that Mnangagwa is grooming Tagwirei as a political ally while sidelining Chiwenga. The Mazo program itself was historic in scale. Mnangagwa distributed 1,000 title deeds, the largest issuance since the presidential title deeds program began in December 2024, while unveiling new irrigation kits aimed at bolstering food security and climate resilience. Around 70% of the beneficiaries were war veterans, a critical constituency in ZANU-PF politics. Yet, instead of empowering headlines, the empowerment drive was overshadowed by the storm over Tagwirei's image. By allowing his allies' prominence to eclipse not only his own, but also the visibility of his deputy, Mnangagwa has deepened speculation that the balance of power in ZANU-PF is shifting, from the barracks once represented by Chiwenga to the boardrooms now dominated by Tagwirei.